it was a very manual process. It was just draining our system. It was draining our resources. There was so many hours we're putting into it.
There was a lot of double work. They were writing notes on site, then coming into the office and retyping them, and then we would take them and turn it into a formal report sent to the ministry. So there was a lot of steps to get to the end goal that could have been combined into one.
Like anything, you look and say, how do you become more efficient? Can we use technology? What technology is out there? But boy, it's a smoother process, and yeah, it's a significant improvement. There is no way we could be where we are without using technology, and I applaud the ExpandIT. It's been a fantastic software for us, and it's been we could not be where we are without that.
I think it's been a really big improvement. The technicians are able to look at their schedule and see the long-term plan right on their phone or their tablet. They're able to give me a call and say, hey, I see you have this site scheduled. I'm done early today. Do you mind if I pop over there now? And so we're getting some efficiencies there where, you know, the work for the day hasn't taken them as long, and they're able to move forward in what we have planned.
It's definitely a lot more streamlined now. Like, I definitely use my phone and ExpandIT for almost all jobs I go to before, during, and after. Before I check, and I can see what I need to bring to the sites listed in the ExpandIT reports. And then while I'm on site, I can start the reports and fill it out and have it sent out before I even drive away. It's just made it a lot easier for organizational purposes.
No, it's you know, aside, it's been awesome. Sincerely, it's we could not be where we are, and the runway is just going to keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger.